This is a tour of Regency Fun Center in Lakewood, California. Right off the bat, we see Disney Chicken, and the jackpot is $2,500. That's really good. Here is Flappy Bird. It's the classic Flappy Bird, not flying tickets. That's really cool. And here's a new one, Space Warp 66. This is very rare. It's pretty new, and I don't know many arcades that have it. So that is a really nice find. And then here is Drop It, Drop It. It's not like super new. I mean, they were testing it like a year ago, and I guess they started rolling it out to a bunch of arcades. So I guess it is kind of new in that regard, but the jackpot's 500, also good. Here is Lane Master, and there are two of them. Pretty fun. Here is the kiosk, and you get 1,300 points, or pins rather, as they call them, for the credits, for $100, so it's like 13 credits a dollar. Here is a mini bowling, the Highway 66 mini bowling. It's a very good deal. It is 13 credits per swipe. That's a really good deal. That's like $1. Oftentimes these things will cost like $3 or $5. So yeah, this is a really good deal. And then here is a foosball table. That's something you'll see very often at an arcade. That's really nice. And you can swipe it. It's $1 per swipe. So I've seen like, this at like, some venues, but I've never seen it like on a swiper. So that's another good find. Over here is Space Invaders. I believe the jackpot is 500. And then here is Tower of Tickets. And what's very interesting about this one is that the rolls actually fall down and you get them from the door down below. Over here is Whack and Win. The jackpot is 1,000. I'm not sure how hard it is. Over here is Pearl Fishery for 500, and there's an ATM. Here is B-Claw, and they have like takeout boxes, and I guess you win like prizes. So that's really cool. You don't see that very often. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen these before in real life. I've seen them like on like YouTube, but I don't think I've ever seen them myself. Here is Ticket Ring, and here is a check card balance, and here is Fishbowl Frenzy. Here is the SpongeBob Pineapple Coin Pusher. Hey, there's a free card, free. And the jackpot 5,000. And let's see, here is the King Kong VR ride. Yeah, Skull Island. Pretty nice. Here is Power Drop Extreme, a very tall game. The power bonus is 24.39. Here is Pirate Hook for 1,000. And here is Deal or No Deal. The jackpot 200 and the double jackpot 400. Here is Connect 4 Hoops. And here is Ticket Monster. And the monster bonus is $12.95. Here is that Dead Heat? Yeah, NOS, aka Dead Heat. Here is Cruising Blast. And here is Jurassic Park. Here is Super Bikes 2, Track 2. Here is Baseball Pro. I don't remember them having this. It's been a while since I've been here. It's like been a long time. Let's see. Here is In the Groove 2. Let's see. Here is Wheel of Fortune, but it's like off. I'm not sure if they like decommissioned or what. Here is what, Street Fighter 4. That's really cool. Got the old school joysticks. Here is a billiards table, and another one. There's actually 3 more. It's 51 pins, so it's like what, $4 or between 3 and 4. Here is a pinball machine, Star Wars pinball, currently off. Here is a boxer boxing champion. So you press the button, the thing will come down, and then you punch it. And as I said, there's more billiards tables. Here is Pop It Extreme. So it's like Pop for Gold, but big. Here is what's called Jump-In Jackpot. And then here is Ice Ball, and it says there's like a bonus, but it's blank. And there's currently one that is working. It's a pretty good deal, 8 pins, and 13 pins with $1. So that's not bad. Here is Down the Clown, and it's beat 500 to win a free game. So I'm guessing that this is, actually I'm not sure, because it says 500 tickets up there, but it says free game down there, so I'm not sure if it's for tickets or amusement. Here is 2-minute drill, and the bonus is 30. That's kind of low. I'm not sure why that is. Here is NBA Hoops ×2. That is the Clippers, and that is the Golden State Warriors. Here is an air hockey table. Currently people playing it. Mungo. Let's see, we got tons of tickets. Let's see, there's a 250. 250. I see that. Can't tell what that is, but there are some decent rings. Here is a barrel of Punkies, and here is Big Bass Wheel Pro, and here's a rare one. I've only seen this at one other place. It's called the Biggest Catch, or just Biggest Catch, and you have to stack all the balls in the ship. That's really cool. It's also really hard. Going back around, we have the Angry Birds Point Crash, and the bonus is $10.91 for the egg bonus. Currently, those two don't have anything, and that one has a tower. That's pretty cool, and it tells you how many swipes you get. That's actually cool. 5 swipes for 7 plays. A lot of places give you 10 plays per swipe. And let's see, there's some more games over here, and we have Whack Clown. Beat 4,000 to get 500. Here is Grand Piano Keys, and here is Quick Drop for 500. Here is Beanbag Toss, and it's right now it's 79,250 to get 500 because there are some really good players here. Here is Milk Jug Toss. Here is Ring Toss. Here is Gold Fishing, and currently the score to beat is 10-10, but the jackpot's only 250. But yeah, that's kind of low. But let's see, 10-10 is definitely doable, but I don't think it's worth it. 250 is kind of low. Especially for a game like this. It should be 500 in my opinion. Here is Cosmic XL, so it's a claw machine. It has these like triangles. It reminds me of like billiards or something, but basically what you do is you grab the triangles and you put it on that tray, and then the the pusher, if you come around here, you can see there's a pusher, and that pusher will put the triangles down, and then you can get the triangles down there. So that's pretty cool. I think that's all the games. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is a pretty cool arcade. And now I'm gonna show you the prizes. And they have some very interesting things. Let's see, down here they have what? Sour Patch Kids, Swedish Fish, was it peppermint candies? Slime. Yeah, there's slime. They have what was it? Like animals. What was that? Like plush. A studded bracelet. Downlinators, fluffy stuff, cotton candy pops. Those look like some sort of shooters. Keychains, studded bracelets, Laffy Taffy, balls, disappearing ink, and then they have rubber duckies, like animals, more animals, shark, poppers, dice. Not sure what that is. It looks like a punching thing. Yeah, and glasses. Elephant trunk, chattering teeth. Those look like, I don't know, like thumbs up. I'm not sure what those are. And then over here, they have a slingshot plane, dice, pizza toss, plush, more plush, more plush, more plush, invisible ink pen, a miniature bowling pin, I think, slime, bowling pins, and more bowling pins. And these ones are somewhat faded or used, so they're cheaper than these ones, 2,500 versus 700. They have these squishies, koozies, balls, dinosaurs, pop rocks. What's that, face mask? It's pretty cool. Blacklight, helicopter, squishies, balls, and here are some more things. They have a laptop bag, wireless thermometer, plush, towel, not sure what that is. It says Red Bull signature crew. What's that? A figure, a pet boutique, American Girl. We got the Red Bull t-shirt, what's that? It's a drawstring bag. They have a dartboard. They have lava lamps, plush, backgammon. What is that? Bow and arrow blaster, icy machine, towel, back in time, not sure what that is. Explorer set, slime, Bluetooth headphones, some sort of Nerf gun. Yeah, it says Nerf. Wasn't sure if it was Nerf or off-brand. Unicorn poop. Not sure what that is. Looks like a stand, I think. And down here is, what's that? Looks like a bike of sorts. Interesting. Plush, with an Apple Watch, squishies, Xbox, a dollhouse mansion, Star Wars Legos. They have Star Wars air hogs. Whatchamacallit? No, it says, I thought it said whatchamacallit. It's called Hatchables. My bad. Scooter, pretty cool. Another bowling pin. What's that, like a GoPro or something like that, or a fitness watch? I'm not sure. We got Star Wars Legos. We have a Google Home, GoPro, Prodigy, Nest Mini. What is that? I have no idea what it is. It's a Google something. Yeah, was that Google Home? I think, I'm not sure. What's that? A headphones? Do they come with the iPod Shuffle? That'd be cool. Powerbeat, Gear Icon X, and then here are the jump prizes. That is a toaster. Got the plush, Bacon Master, more plush, some balls, Triceratops, Monopoly, My Hero Academia, which is pretty cool. I thought it was rare, but I got it somewhere else. But this is the second time I've seen it. Balls, cards, pizza toss, squishies, Q-Cheetos, Smoke Blaster, a drone, Black Panther, something or another. Dinosaurs, what's that, like a lighter? Oh, it's a bracelet. Over here they have, what's that, Avengers bowling, I'm not sure. Hat, Harry Potter quiz, Monopoly, Super Mario, candy, lunch. I think those are NASCAR bags, not sure. They have the shooters, magic, props, some sort of toys, they have pennants. They have a Coca-Cola clock. They have some cloth, they have Jenga. There's a tablet of sorts. Zip and Zap drones. More plush, more plush. They have the Coca-Cola golf bag, it's pretty cool. And then, let's see, they have some puppet there, and that's like a Disney Pixar art set, cars. Avengers, let's see, The Game of Life, Activity Collection, Batman. So you got some trucks, squishies, plush over there, Angry Birds, plush, more plush down all around, candy, some sort of bow and arrow, Yoda, looks like some sort of artwork. Got hats, squishies, invisible ink, hat, blasters, bubbles, dinosaurs, moon blaster, flying UFO, dart set, missile launcher, and I think it's everything here. Oh, I don't think I got the ball. Let's see, over here is a glow-in-the-dark, like, basketball set. There's some putties, lots of putties. There's like a tiara, Disney princess stuff. Let's see, that's a drone. We have cotton candy maker, flying tubes. We got keychains, bouncing eggs, balls. That's a giant surfboard up there. That's pretty cool. And then they have, let's see, Super Activity Collection, Soap Splash. Got a hat, got some toys back there. Let's see, there's what was that, like darts, like I think you fling them. And there's flying tubes. Yeah, some round eggs, paddle ball, chalk sets, whoopee cushion keychain. That's really interesting. I think that's like a ball you throw in the water. It's like you play catch with it and floats on the top. So there's like some sort of like headbands, and there's a sweater up there, and I think that's everything. Oh wait, there's spider ball, and there's also the Clippers, something or another. Not sure, but yeah, pretty cool. There's also playing cards down there. But yeah, that's a lot of prizes. They have some interesting prizes. I actually got like a World Cup FIFA 2016 a while back. It's really rare, then like I traded to my friend. But yeah, that was a really cool prize. Never seen that before. Very rare. So they do have some very interesting prizes, and they have a very interesting selection of games. So overall, it's a pretty decent place. If you ever watched, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you again next time.